Welcome to Part 4, Backtesting the Options Wheel Strategy, Section 4.0 to 4.2. This is the last part of a 4-part video series based on the book Smart Investing Made Easy by Steve Goldendale. Before putting your hard-earned money into any trading strategy, you need one thing first: confidence. And the best way to gain that confidence is through backtesting, testing your strategy on real historical data to see how it performs before you ever risk a dollar. What is backtesting and why do it? Backtesting lets you go back in time, apply your trading rules, and track results as if those trades had actually happened. In Smart Investing Made Easy, we used NVIDIA as our test case, reviewing trades from 2023 and 2024. To validate the options wheel strategy, using Charles Schwab's Thinkorswim desktop platform, you can pull up historical charts, select option chains, and recreate each trade in the past 2 years. The backtesting platform is free once you open an account. The testing criteria. We kept our rules simple and consistent. 1. Expiration between 30 to 45 days. 2. Delta around 0.30 or 30% for balanced risk and reward. 3. Implied volatility above 40%. 4. Candlestick body position. Below the 20-day moving average for cash-secured puts, above the 20-day moving average for covered calls. 5. Underlying stock must be in an uptrend. Applying these filters to NVIDIA produced just a handful of high-quality opportunities each year, proving that patience and precision pay off. For example, on February 21, 2023, NVIDIA closed below its 20-day average, triggering a cash-secured put. That trade returned over 5% in 59 days, more than 32% annualized. Another trade later in the year combined a put assignment and a covered call, yielding a 172% annualized return. Backtesting proved the wheel strategy can deliver remarkable consistency when applied with discipline. Key lessons from backtesting. Backtesting teaches 3 powerful lessons. 1. Patience pays. Good trades are rare. Forcing trades is expensive. 2. Rules matter. Sticking to your criteria filters out low-quality setups. 3. Maximize capital utilization. Capital should never sit idle. Instead of letting cash sit idle while one stock runs too high or offers no setup, maintain a watch list of at least 10 quality stocks. As some are extended and not suitable for new trades, others will be in attractive pullbacks or consolidations, giving you fresh opportunities that still follow your rules. Rotate with market cycles. Backtesting NVIDIA and other stocks also shows that price cycles don't line up perfectly. Example: throughout 2024, the stock charts for NVIDIA and Tesla effectively illustrated the contrasting cycles. While one stock is in a strong uptrend and not ideal for new puts or calls, another may be in a dip or moving into your sell zone. By actively rotating through a 10-stock watch list, you keep your capital working, capture more qualified trades, and smooth out the ups and downs of individual names without ever abandoning your risk rules. So as you move from backtesting to live trading, remember, test your rules, trust your criteria, and keep your capital fully engaged by rotating through that watch list of at least 10 stocks. This video is the final episode in a 4-part series based on Smart Investing Made Easy and the Options Wheel Strategy. Together, these videos have walked through the full process from the basics to cash-secured puts, covered calls, and backtesting, so you now have a clear framework to generate consistent, disciplined income from the stock market. If you found this series helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future lessons and updates. You can also visit the website at www.gdi.infinityfreeapp.com for additional resources and materials that build on what you've seen here. There is much more detail, examples, and step-by-step guidance in the book than can fit into a short video series. So you are encouraged to get a copy of Smart Investing Made Easy on Amazon. The book will reinforce what you've learned, deepen your understanding of the strategy, and help you apply it with confidence in real-world markets. And don't forget to check out this book at Amazon. Available now.